Hi, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Acbuy. So, in order to do this, simply log into your account. Start by logging into your Acbuy account using your credentials, then look for the withdrawal or funds management section in your account dashboard. This is typically where you can manage your finances and initiate withdrawals. Then choose a preferred withdrawal method. Acbuy may offer various options such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Ensure that you select the method that suits you best. Now, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it complies with any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits set by Acbuy. Now, review a withdrawal request ensuring that all details are correct, including your payment information and the amount. Once everything is confirmed, submit your withdrawal request and you may receive a confirmation message or email regarding your request. After submitting, your request will be processed and the time it takes to complete the withdrawal may vary depending on the method chosen and Acbuy's processing times. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.